Let's see how to use bullets and numbering properly in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And right now, in our document, we have several lines of sentences. Now, let's say that we want to make this into a bulleted list. So what we can do, if you already have a text that has been typed into your document, is simply to highlight your text that you want to transform into a bulleted list or a numbered list. And right here, you have the option to turn it into a bulleted list by clicking on this icon, which looks like there's dots and a line. Now, if you click on that, that is what that will look like. And you can also adjust the spacing if you want to return it to its original form. And there you go. You now have a bulleted list. Now let's say that you want to turn this into a numbered list instead. So let's click on that again. And this time, click on this one right here, which says numbering. And right here, you can even create your very own number format. So you can do it in Roman numerals, in Hindu Arabic, or even in letters if you want to. And that is how you can properly use bulleting and numbering in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.